So today we will learn about Koin Dependency Injection Library. This is very easy to use and lightweight. So let's start. So you can go into Android option and then you will find the setup steps. So first, all you need to do is just like add this one line and get the version from the Going V3 option, and over here you can find the option. So in my application I just added in the build file. When we go to the application build file, over here I just added the implementation line, and then the Koin version I defined over here. Now you can choose the version from here, whichever the one that is latest one. And then you just need to also make sure that the Marvin Central is also added in your application Gradle file. And then what you need to do is, let's say that we have a car class. I created one car class, and then it has a method called get car, and inside that I just written car is running. So let's say that what is a dependency injection. Dependency injection is you don't have to create objects every time when you need to access the method of this car class. Instead, like dependency injection, it is provided by the dependency injection, so you can just like get the car object created by someone else, like library, or in our case that will be created by Koin. So so let's say that how we can inject this car class. So first we need to create a module is a way to create tell the dependency injection that this is how you can provide the objects. So then I created one file called test module, and then inside that we can just define a module, and then just write a module. And inside that there is a method called factory, and then over here like we can just tell how to provide this class object. So factory is like every time when you create an object, car object, it will create new objects. And if you want to create a singleton object, then just we have to use this as a single keyword, and then this way it will provide the singleton object. But in our case, like we don't need to create any singleton object right now. Singleton object is like, let's say that if we are using any retrofit library or anything like database application, database, or anything that is like the object is the app level, you need to create only once. That is that's when we need the singleton objects. So I created one module, and then one what we have to do is in the application class, this is like my default application class. We need to define all the modules. So for that, this is the standard syntax. Just write the start coin, and inside that just define modules. Right now we have the test module, and that's it. In the now we can object this, we can access this object inside the main activity class, and just writing by inject. And then once we call this object, it will run this method. So let's run this application and let's see. So over here you can see it says the car is running. So this is very easy to use, and just like a few keywords, and you can use this library to inject all your objects. That's all for this video, and please continue to watch to other part of getting more information about the Coin library. Thank you all.